If you're connected to your internet but it shows no network access, then this is for you. Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and let's get to the video without any delay. For this fix, you need to go to your control panel. Here, go to Network and Internet. Here, click on Network and Sharing Center and locate your internet and double click on it. Here in details, you will see all the details about this particular network connection. Make sure you have your description will take RTL88 correct. It will be needing for your next step. Now here in general, go to properties. Here click on Internet Protocol version 4 and properties again. So here under obtain DNS server address automatically, choose the next one. And here type 8888 and under alternate DNS server type 8844. Now click OK and you're done. If this doesn't fix your problem, then go to your device manager. Now here you need to go to network adapters. Now locate your device network adapter, which is mine is Realtek RTL88 blah blah blah. If you don't know your network adapter, then you have your network connections. You go to the window again, and here go to details, and in description you will find your network adapter. So this will be your adapter. Click on update driver by right clicking on it and click on search automatically for drivers. You're done. So if this doesn't work, open a CMD. So go to search bar, type CMD and run it as administrator. Here type two codes. First one is ipconfig space / flush DNS. Press enter. Now the next one is netsh winsock reset. Now after these two codes, make sure you restart your computer before using any internet. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.